So Mohbad is gradually being forgotten, but in this video I'll be bringing you more gist, more latest updates concerning Mohbad's death, because his father has come out to speak concerning the autopsy which they are trying to conduct on him. He really revealed some secrets which I would like you to watch in this video, and also I will show you Mohbad's interview few weeks before he passed on. It seems as if Mohbad knew he go by, but please stick with me and watch this interview because a lot of truth were revealed, a lot of secrets were revealed in the interview. So guys, Mohbad's father has come out to say something concerning the autopsy, and this is what we really need to know concerning Mohbad's death. So please, in case you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video so others can get to see it. Without further ado, let us watch the video of Mohbad's interview, and later we will watch the video of Mohbad's father speaking on his autopsy.
Yeah, my name is Mohbad. I'm from Nigeria.
Okay, do you live there or?
Yeah, I'm from Nigeria.
Okay, what part of Nigeria?
Lagos.
I am sorry, but
So is this the first time to be out in the UK?
No, this is my second time.
Okay, so tell us about the songs that made you popular.
I got different songs that made me popular, but the actual one that made me popular so well was the Feel Good. I got a lot.
And what kind of genre of music do you perform? Do you call it Afrobeats as well?
Yeah, Afrobeat.
Okay, and when did you start music?
I started music professionally 2017.
Okay, yeah. And how many albums do you have so far?
I got like 2 albums. Yeah.
Okay.
2 albums.
And are you currently working on a new album now?
Yeah, I just dropped one like a month ago. I just dropped a new like EP, extended playlist of 8 tracks like a month ago. So if I'll be dropping the other projects, it's going to be like early next year. This year.
Okay. Now tell me, is this the first time you're playing for One Africa, performing?
Oh yeah, this is my first time. Yeah. This is my first time. Yeah.
And is this one of your first big performance?
No, I think I've had a bigger one, but this is big too.
Okay, yeah. So, since you've been dropping up this music, are you very popular in Nigeria?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, can you move the streets without somebody stopping you and beating you?
Yeah, based on love, yeah, I can move on the street. I can't move in Nigeria without people knowing that it's me.
Okay, so, and do you realize that people know you back here as well?
Yeah, I was actually at a store. I thought I would be able to go by myself. I know I started taking pictures of everyone. So
don't worry about it.
So you realize that you're holding a big flag, not just for Nigeria, but for Africa.
Yeah.
So what would you tell the young black kid somewhere in Africa who doesn't believe that there's
what advice I'm just going to give is do whatever you like that you can do best. Like, don't try to like be somebody else. So since you are and if you believe in yourself and work hard for well, you get to wherever you want to get to.
Let me say, just the way you are.
That's all. Is there something else you'd want to say?
I love London.
Okay, great. All right, thank you.
ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti ń dàbí pé ó ń lọlẹ̀ bákan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ autopsy yẹn. Kí ni ẹ rí sí sà? Ti yẹ kí a gbọ́n kankan lẹ́tẹ̀nu ìjọba.
Ọ̀rọ̀ autopsy yìí ó ń falẹ̀ náà lójú mi because èmi ò mọ̀ pé ohun tó máa pẹ́ tó eléyìí ni because pé kókó ọmọ yẹn kó tún máa ráre bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ń jìyà ni níbi tó wà yẹn and alágbára tó jọba àti gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà ń demand pé nǹkan tó fẹ́ nìyẹn so ó dẹ̀ ti ń ṣe wọ́n èmi máa béèrè bóyá tí bàbá yín sọ̀rọ̀ tán sì máa pè ìkan náà àwọn ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá yẹn bóyá ó ṣeé ṣe wọ́n ti mú nǹkan tí wọ́n ti mú wọ́n lè sin ọmọ yẹn so wọ́n yẹ pé bóyá òpó ẹ̀kọ́ lọ́hún ráre níbi tí ó wà so oríṣiríṣi náà ni mo gbọ́ pa so máa béèrè ìmọ̀ what to do.
dádì ọ̀rọ̀ títí DNA yẹn náà kí lè rí sọ̀rọ̀ DNA test yẹn náà tó náà fẹ́ ṣe.
tí DNA test yẹn ó pọn dandan torí mo sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ mi kan pé ó dàbí ẹni tó bímọ lọ́sàn-án ó tó bímọ láago 2 ọ̀sán ẹjẹ́ nu ọjà ló bí sí so kò sí ni wọ́n máa rí díẹ̀ gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà ni wọ́n ń béèrè fún all over the world wọ́n ti ń béèrè pé kìíní pé wọ́n ṣe so ó pọn dandan kí wọ́n ṣe ó pọn dandan kí wọ́n ṣe so àtẹ̀gbọ́n mọ̀ pé wọ́n ṣe kò sí bọ́yẹ fẹ́ ṣe èmi mo sì jẹ́ bàbá ọmọ yẹn so èmi náà ni màá fún ọ ní kókè àti fẹ́ ṣe o àbí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe o kí o sẹ́ndì ẹni tó lè ṣe aṣojú mi tèmi bá ti sí níbẹ̀ láti mọ bí wọ́n lè fẹ́ ṣe bí bá lè máa ṣe ní àkóńṣe ọ̀nà kan ó jẹ́ bí ọ̀nà méjì láti lè rí àrídájú àti pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ibi tí wọ́n ti bí mi Ìkẹ́rẹ́ Èkìtì lèmi ti wá even Olú Ìkẹ́rẹ́ ṣẹ̀ wá ó ṣẹ̀ dìde kúrò lórí ìjókòó yìí sí mi wọ́n ní wọ́n wá kí mi so a kì í gba ọmọ àlè lọ́dọ̀ wa so irú ọmọ yìí ṣùgbọ́n ìwúrí ló máa jẹ́ fèmí kó jẹ́ ọmọ mi torí ọmọ kan ṣoṣo tó lòun fi sílẹ̀ fún mi ó kọjọ́ mẹ́ta ọjọ́ sátidé tó máa mọ̀ ẹ́ máa kú ó kọjọ́ mẹ́ta mo sì wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ tó yẹ pé ó gbóúnjẹ fún mi ó dẹ̀ gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ sí mi lọ́wọ́ ó dẹ̀ ya fọ́tò mi àti ẹ̀ gbogbo fọ́tò tó yà sì wà lórí kìíní ẹ̀gbẹ́ so ìdùnnú ló máa jẹ́ fún mi ó jẹ́ ọmọ mi torí pé mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọ yẹn but tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ ìdàkejì náà kò ní jẹ́ nǹkan tó máa dára tí a bá wà díẹ̀ sí torí ọjọ́ iwájú kò lè sí àǹfààní kan níbi nǹkan òkú gan ẹ má bàa blame mi pé dáàdì mi lè gba nǹkan báyìí wọlé so wọ́n necessary ká ṣe.
okay sir so dáàdì ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún béèrè lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí kí ẹ sọ fáwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà kán lè mọ̀ ìgbà tó bá máa sin ọmọ yẹn so that ìgbà tó bá máa sin tó máa lọ sùn kán jẹ́ kó.
mi ò tí ì lè sọ táìmù sí i mo ṣèlérí tí bá ti bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ tán sí i máa pe ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá láti béèrè pé ṣé ó ṣeé ṣe nígbà tó ti mú nǹkan tó fẹ́ lò ká lọ sí kókó ẹ̀mọ́kùnmọ́ ara rẹ̀ a lot of people wọ́n yọ sí mi òun rí àtòrí wípé wọn ò tí ì sí ní gbogbo reflection tí wọ́n rí yẹn and a gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe ìgbésẹ̀ lórí pé bí wọ́n ṣe máa tètè sí
ẹ ṣé sir lọ́wọ́ àwa pẹ̀lú yín sir. Yes, sir.